I know everyone's kitchen has a junk drawer, mostly. My kitchen is so small, but still I managed to use this drawer as a junk drawer, which I need to put this stuff somewhere else. However, I decided to clean it up, organize it with these little dividers, and throw away the junk. You might hear the air conditioner in the background. Excuse the noise. Anyway, this fan's been with me a long time. I purchased it years ago from Home Depot. And it's old and rusty, but let me tell you, this thing blows out some serious air. My industrial strength fan. Now I just took the front off to clean these dusty blades. It's amazing how fans just pick up so much dirt. Now I'm really seriously contemplating, because over there is the other part, the front part of it over there by the door, which needs to go outside and be rinsed. Now I'm studying, wait a minute, yeah, I'm studying these components to see if I was to take this motor out. I'm getting really ridiculous now. If I was to take the motor out, why does this thing stay up? Jesus. Oh, shit. Unscrew this spark here. But then this part, oh, jeez. I don't know. You know, I have in the past taken stuff apart, not know what I'm doing, but just using my common sense and taking pictures and videos so I know how to put things back. Now this right here has something to do with the switch that turns it off and on, and I can see some type of connection here. Worst come to worst, I can always get my neighbor, the electrician, if I run into a problem. The reason I want to take this out is so I can go ahead and spray this metal part as well. I don't know. It looks like I can unscrew this blade first of all. I mean, what do I have to lose? I mean, worst come to worst, if I tear the thing up, I'll just go buy another one. What the hell? This fan ran for another 3 weeks and then finally died. I ended up purchasing another one, a smaller version. I decided to take a trip to a Walmart to do a little grocery shopping, but of course, anytime you go into Walmart, aka Wally World, you have to look around, and these TVs were some great deals. Believe me, I was tempted, but I would have to just put it in the garage, store it, so when the other one goes out. And then I had to come to my senses. Don't be ridiculous. So I just kept it moving. But yeah, they have some really good deals on these TVs. But I really want a Samsung frame for my living room. Where was these prices when I was buying my TV for the living room? I have a Samsung 58-inch TV in the living room. It is hot. It's cool in the house because I left the air on. But outside, oh God, I'm thirsty. Whew. Items I purchased today. I went to Wally World. One-stop shop, Walmart's. Got some eggs, bread, some green tea. We only got one. Cheese, dip, frozen vegetables, spinach, and over here. Would you look at my microphone cord came out and I didn't even notice it until I was watching the video or trying to edit this video. I really hate when the vacuum cleaner gets all this stuff in it and then you have to sit here and cut it all out. Here I'm unboxing a piece of wall art I ordered from Wayfair. I was tired of what I had up there. I didn't like those frames I got from IKEA. So I took them down, and I wanted something that was more rectangle to hang up there on that wall. Even though I'm still trying to figure out some kind of way to eventually have my TV mounted to that wall, or have built out to hang the TV on. But in the meantime, I ordered this to hang up there. I wanted something with the wooden frame to kind of match the cabinet. It's a little bit lighter than my TV stand. And I thought about sending it back, but I decided to go on and keep it. Once upon a time, I had a second lack shelf hanging up here, and then I had 3 wall art pieces hanging up there. Then I didn't like that, so I decided to change it. And now I'm going to hang this. I have never seen a picture frame like this. I'm used to some type of a hook or something, or a string or something. I've never seen this before. But somehow I managed to get it up there, following the instructions. I came up with an idea to fix those slats. I wanted to at one point close it up, drywall it off, but I changed my mind. I came up with another idea, which I'll show you that on another video coming soon.